HaptX Gloves G1. Thank you for joining us as we introduce the latest innovation in haptic technology, the HaptX Gloves G1. These advanced haptic gloves, proudly created in the United States, are now available in a lightweight wireless package. While the $5,500 price tag and $500 monthly subscription might deter some individual users, the technology behind these gloves is truly fascinating. Using compressed air and hundreds of microdrives, the HaptX Gloves G1 simulate the sensation of touching virtual objects, making them feel incredibly real. With compatibility for Unity, Unreal Engine, and other tools, these gloves open up exciting possibilities for collaborative work. However, some skeptics compare them to the Power Glove, an unpopular controller from the past. Agrist. Here's an interesting fact about Japan. Only 12 to 15% of its land is suitable for agriculture, and the average age of local farmers is 66. To overcome these challenges, robots are coming to the rescue, aiding in tasks such as harvesting. At CES 2023, a robot with artificial intelligence capabilities showcased its ability to harvest crops with precision. This technology, equipped with cameras, not only harvests but also monitors crop growth, providing valuable insights. The system, operated via wires, is suitable for various farms without causing damage to the ground. GluxKind. Parents often face the challenge of maneuvering heavy baby strollers during walks. To address this, a team from Canada has developed a smart stroller packed with technology. Featuring a parking brake, the Ella twin-engine system, autopilot, when the stroller is empty, cameras, sensors, automatic rocking, and a white noise generator, this stroller is designed to make walks with your little one more convenient. Priced at around $3,300, shipments are set to begin in April. Miroki. In hospitals, a French-developed robot named Miroki is set to assist nurses by transporting patients, carrying food, medical records, and more. Inspired by Pixar animated films, the designers not only focused on the robot's appearance, but also created a backstory for these long-eared creatures. Capable of understanding commands, moving at a speed of about 2 miles per hour, and operating up to 8 hours on a single charge, Miroki is expected to be deployed in a Parisian hospital in 2024, with plans to expand its use to schools, hotels, and nursing homes. Ultratech Rapid Rise Bun. Protecting against leaks from barrels, tanks, and other containers, the Ultratech Rapid Rise Bun is a system that resembles an inflatable pool. It prevents liquids from reaching the ground by rising along with them, with various versions including a 179-gallon one weighing only 31 pounds. These systems, made of PEC, are easy to maintain, assemble, and durable. Samsung Flex Hybrid. While Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold introduced foldable screens, the Flex Hybrid takes it a step further by allowing both folding and twisting of the screen. This technology promises to expand the design possibilities for future gadgets, creating smartphones that unfold to the size of a laptop. Although the release date is unspecified, concepts and insider information suggest a 10.5-inch 4:3 screen transforming into a 12.4-inch display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. Shift-All Mutalk. A unique-looking product from Japan, the Shift-All Mutalk is a communication device resembling a Darth Vader mask or muzzle. Designed to allow quiet communication without disturbing others, it reduces speech volume by 20 to 30 decibels. Connectable via Bluetooth to various devices, it offers 8 hours of communication on a single charge. Priced at around $156, it will be available for order in the US later this year. Solar panel-covered Autobahn. Addressing the increasing demand for natural gas, an Austrian-German team proposes a creative solution, turning high-speed roads into batteries. This involves installing solar cells above the road, providing not only energy but also protecting against precipitation. This innovation, predicted to yield about 47 terawatt-hours of energy in Germany alone, showcases a practical and economical approach to alternative resources. City Glider. In response to changing commuting patterns, a designer from Singapore presents a concept for shoes that enhance walking speed and comfort. Using creative design and a pneumatic system, these shoes increase stride length, allowing users to walk 10% more than usual and reducing the risk of foot and shin pain. While it's unclear if the concept will go into production, it reflects the evolving needs of individuals walking more frequently. Kakito Kiops. For pool owners, the Kakito Kiops offers a practical solution. Priced at $129, this pool heating system is suitable for pools up to 354 cubic feet, raising the temperature by 9 to 27 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to install, and weighing about it requires the sun's rays for at least 6 hours a day for optimal efficiency. Lawn Road. Swedish authorities allocate almost $8 million for a charging road project to support the growing demand for electric cars. This versatile system uses special rails on the road and receivers on the vehicles to charge electric cars, monitor road conditions, record traffic accidents, and facilitate online payments. As countries work towards phasing out internal combustion engines by 2035, innovative solutions like ELONROED aim to make electric cars more appealing. BMW iVision DE. BMW introduces a concept car, the iVision DE, offering a glimpse into the future of digital mobility. Featuring a hybrid design between a Tesla Cybertruck and a Hot Wheels car, this concept focuses on smart features such as a self-learning digital assistant, full-width windshield projection display, augmented reality options, and a touchpad-equipped steering wheel. Additionally, an experimental e-paper technology allows owners to change the car's color by adjusting 240 separate segments.